The 23CD concrete dumper is designed to be the ultimate tool on a concrete project. The cushioned stand-on platform makes extended workdays easier. And as with all Barreto machines, the easy-to-access grease points, engine and hydraulic components make maintenance a breeze. And this video will show you how to safely operate and maintain the Barreto Manufacturing 23CD concrete dumper. General safety instructions. To use the 23CD, you must be over 18 years old, of sound body and mind, and familiar with the machine as taught to you by someone with experience. You must also read and understand all safety messages and instructions in the operator's manual. Pay special attention to the safety decals fixed to the body of the machine near specific hazard points. The 23CD concrete dumper must always be operated in full compliance with all state, local, and national regulations, including OSHA regulations. Never operate the concrete dumper under the influence of alcohol, drugs, prescriptions that prohibit operation of machinery, or any other substance that impair your cognitive or physical ability. Always wear proper PPE while moving or operating the machine. This includes eye protection like safety glasses or a full face shield, a hard hat, gloves, and boots. If you're working near traffic, wear reflective clothes. Never wear loose-fitting clothing, jewelry, or anything which could get caught, and keep your head and facial hair pulled back while operating the machine. Always wear hearing protection while operating. Extended exposure to loud noises might reduce your ability to hear over time. While moving or operating the concrete dumper, stay clear of any moving parts and never touch the hydraulic parts. Hydraulic fluid is under extreme pressure and can cause burns or poisoning. Always operate the machine outdoors and avoid standing near or breathing in the engine exhaust and fumes. Also, avoid operating near flames, sparks, or flammable dust or vapors. If possible, keep a fire extinguisher capable of extinguishing Class A, B, and C fires near you while you operate. Only operate when there is enough light, either natural or artificial, and allow for plenty of side and overhead clearance between the machine and buildings, fences, trees, and other obstacles. Never leave the 23CD concrete dumper unattended while the engine is running. Always park on a level surface, and always use the parking brake. Only the operator is allowed to stand on the platform. Never allow anybody else to stand or ride on the machine. Never lift the concrete dumper over any person. If the machine falls or tips, that person could be crushed. Always perform a worksite assessment when you arrive on site. If possible, pick a worksite free from bystanders. If you cannot avoid having others on the worksite, keep all observers or co-workers at a safe distance from the machine, and use traffic flag personnel, signs, cones, and lighting devices to warn or divert traffic and pedestrians. Stop the machine immediately if anyone comes too close. Loading and transporting the machine. We recommend transporting the 23CD concrete dumper on a trailer with a payload capacity rating that exceeds 2,200 pounds. We do not recommend loading the concrete dumper onto a truck bed using ramps. When towing, secure the concrete dumper using tie-down chains and binders. After loading the machine on the trailer, reduce the throttle to idle. Turn off the ignition switch. Close the fuel shutoff valve. If you don't, fuel could leak into the cylinder and crankcase, and damage from this is not covered under warranty. Use the tie-down points indicated with decals on the machine. There are 2 in the rear labeled with the hook and arrow decal on the right and left sides of the operator platform, and 2 more in the front. When towing, it is recommended that you stop after a few blocks to check your chain binder and chains. Always use extreme caution and drive slow. Before you operate. Before you start the engine, look to make sure nothing is worn or damaged on the machine. Replace any worn or damaged parts. It is highly recommended to grease all zerk fittings every day before operating the concrete dumper. These grease zerks are well labeled on every piece of Barreto equipment. Service your engine and add necessary fluids every time before you start. Fluids may not have been added by the previous operator, and operating without oil or hydraulic fluid can seriously damage your machine. Also, familiarize yourself with the controls. The keyed ignition switch, fuel gauge, choke, and throttle are located on the engine control panel. Use the keyed ignition switch to start the machine. The track control handle is located in the center of the control panel. Use this control handle to move and steer the machine. Left and right turning as well as forward and reverse controls are well labeled on the center of the control panel. The bucket control joystick is located on the right side of the control panel. This joystick safely tilts the bucket to dump as well as pivots the bucket up to 180 degrees in rotation around the front of the machine. Never tape any controls down. Doing so could result in injury or even death. Starting and operating the machine. Open the fuel shutoff valve. If starting the engine cold, close the choke. If restarting the engine warm, leave it open. Pull back the throttle about 1/3 and turn the ignition key to the start position until it starts. If the engine doesn't start after 10 seconds, release the key, wait 10 seconds, and try again. Once it's started, release the key and move the choke control to half. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds before fully opening the choke. For starting in cold weather conditions, or if you have to jumpstart your engine, consult your owner's manual. In the event of a dead battery, the manual start is located on the back of the machine. Set the choke and pull the cord to start the engine. Once started, navigate to the work area at a safe speed. Direct and move the machine with the control handle. Pushing and turning the control handle forward, backward, left, or right for specific directional steering and control. Always drive at a speed appropriate for your environment. When driving, avoid inclines, drop-offs, and embankments. Never drive next to a current trench as it could collapse the bank, rolling the machine. A 20-degree incline is allowed, but if the machine is driven on a slope greater than 20 degrees, it will shut down automatically. Once the bucket is loaded with gravel or concrete, position the concrete dumper to start dumping the material. Remember, the concrete dumper is designed to dump either from a stationary position or while moving. Once the concrete dumper is positioned, do a quick function check before you start. If you release the control handle, the respective function should always stop right away. After you finish your function check, you are safe to proceed. After the job. After all work is completed, move the concrete dumper to level ground and park. Never park on a slope. Turn down the throttle to idle and turn off the ignition switch. Remove the key and turn off the fuel shutoff valve. Failure to turn off the fuel shutoff valve can seriously damage your engine. Let the machine cool entirely before performing any maintenance, cleaning, or touching the engine, hydraulic lines, or hydraulic fluid. Once cool, wash the machine thoroughly. After it's clean, operate the concrete dumper briefly to remove the water from the parts. Once you return to the shop, complete all required cleaning, lubrication, battery, and general maintenance. For specifics on these tasks, consult your owner's manual. For more information, visit www.barretomfg.com or consult your owner's manual.